Hello, welcome back to Jerry Monetization Vlog. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit the background of your videos. I'll be showing you how to use fake background on your video, just like the one you're watching right now. This background is not real. This is fake background. So I'll be showing you how to edit your videos and use this type of fake background. If one of the things that is pulling you back from creating YouTube content is your background, worry not. In this video, I will show you how to create a fake background using your mobile phone or also your PC, anyone you wish to use. So in this video, we'll be using AI photo generator. We'll use it to generate the fake background, which we are going to use for the video. Then we will use Piscart. Yes, we'll use Piscart to crop the photo generated by AI. Then we will use Capcut as the photo editing software. All right. One thing to bear in mind while creating this video is that you should be mindful of your body movement. When you are moving your body so fast, it will make your video not to be perfect. So you have to be careful while moving your body. Don't be too fast. If you want to move your body, you should move slowly, not too fast. Please, if it's your first time visiting my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified in my next video. And to my returning subscribers, this is me saying a very big thanks to you for always coming back. So let's get into the video.
Alright, what you should do next is go to your Google Chrome, search for AI photo generator. Then it will show you a list of AI photo generators online. So you choose any of these to generate your fake background. Right now I'll be using FreePic, www.freepic.com. I'll be using it to generate. So right here you write a prompt for the photo you want to generate. Any background you want to generate, you just write a prompt for it so that it will generate according to the description you give to it. I've used this prompt before to generate image, so let me use it again. I will still paste this prompt in the description of this video. So when you write your prompt there, it will show you a list of video of pictures generated using that prompt. All right, these are the pictures generated using that prompt I pasted there. So you can choose any of these prompts and download it. I'll be downloading this. Let me download this one. So when you click on this blue download button, it will show you an option to download it. Then you click on it and the picture will download. So now we have downloaded the picture generated with that prompt. I also use that prompt with Meta AI, and these were the photos generated. I've used it on Meta AI, so you can use any of your preferred AI photo generator to generate fake background for the video. So now let's get to PixArt. The next thing we are going to use is to use PixArt to crop the photo. We'll use PixArt to crop this photo. So you open the PixArt. If you do not have PixArt, you can download it from your phone Play Store. So when the PixArt open, you hit on this plus button. So once your PixArt open, you select the photo generated with the AI photo generator. You select. Alright, when the picture opens, you have to use these tools down here where you see tools. You click on it right here. So when you click on it, you will see crop. Click on this crop up here. Now it will show you option for a free cropping, but I want you for you it to be easier for you, select this 16.9 because that is the format for YouTube video. Select this 16.9. When you select this 16.9, if you hit it again, then it will change it to vertical, but you need horizontally. All right, so when you hit there, if you do not want to use this 16.9, you can as well switch this. If once you scroll down here, you still find YouTube. This is YouTube, that is the same shape for it. So you click on this good button here. Now you've hit on that good button. What you should do is scroll this thing, select add photo. Now select this image again, or any of these ones you generated, then you hit on add. Now you have to crop it. You can hold either side to get the shape you need, so you can adjust here freely until you get what you need. All right, this is okay. You can now hit on this download button. Now the image has downloaded. Now I want us to also crop that photo generated by Meta AI. So you hit on add button, this add photo, you click on it. Now let's select this image selected generated with Meta AI. Let's also crop this photo. Then we'll select which one is better for this video. Now after cropping the photo, you still hit on this good button here, which means done. You hit on it, download the image. Now we've downloaded the image. Next thing we are going to do now is to open the Capcut, which we are going to use to edit the video. Which we are going to use to edit the video. All right, we've added the image. Now you drag it to extend the length of the image depending on the size and the length of the video you want to edit. So let me leave it at 3 minutes because I believe that video is not longer than 3 minutes. Then you scroll. Okay, so select this overlay. That video you want to remove the background, you select overlay, then select that video, add overlay. You add that video as overlay. Now let me find the video. All right, this is the video. I want to change the background. This is the video I want to change the background. Okay, the video is 1 minute. So this image, I'm going to split it off and delete the rest part. So you click on that video you added as overlay. Scroll this down here until you see remove BG. This BG means background, remove background. Click on remove BG. Now click on this auto remover. When you click on it, you have to wait for it to finish loading. The time it will take will depends on the length of your video, but it won't take much of your time. So I want to cut off this area, then I'll still drag it to the end. Now this overlay, you have to zoom it so that it will fit in. And drag it to the edge so that it will fit in there. Now when you've added it and it's perfect, the next thing we are going to do is to add blur to it so that the background will not be noticed as fake. We are going to
Hello, welcome back to Jerry Monetization Vlog. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit the background of your videos.
all right. You see how the
I'll be
video
showing
is,
you how.
it is very clean. You won't even know it's a fake background. But I still want to add effect on this background. And let me search for blur. All right, I'm going to select the first one here.
Hello, welcome back to Jerry Monetization Vlog. In
Now you
today's
can
video, I'll be
go here
showing you
and
how to edit.
adjust the blur of, so it will not be too blunt like this. No, so you have to adjust it. I'm going to set it to something like 16.
Hello, welcome back to Jerry
The tone
Monetization
is also
Vlog.
okay, so I'll
In
be
today's
removing
video,
that.
I'll be showing you how to edit the background of your videos. I'll be showing you how to use fake background on your video, just like the one you're watching right now. This background is not real. This is fake background. So I'll be showing you how to edit your
All right,
videos and use this type
you
of
can see
fake
the,
background.
let me pause this video. You can see it is perfect now. So the next thing to do now is to export the video. Meanwhile, I have to check the ending so that you will know where to split the video and delete the other part of it.
Subscribers, this is me saying a very big thanks to you for always coming back.
Okay, now you have to split this part of the background and also split this part of the video. Now delete the two so that it will end at the same spot.
Notification bell so that you get notified in my next video. And to my returning subscribers, this is me saying a very big thanks to you for always coming back.
All right, now we've gotten what we need. The next thing we are going to do right now is to export this video. Now for you to export this video, you have to hit on this export. But meanwhile, this background remover we use is the pro version of it. This background remover was free, but right now it is a pro version. So you can only export this video when you have paid for the app. If you have not paid for it, if you are using the free version, you won't be able to export this video. But in my next video, I will show you how I was able to export this video without paying for the pro version. So wait for my next video. I will still show you. I don't want this video to be too long. I will show you in the next video how you can export this video you generated without paying for the pro version of this app. Please, thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified in my next video, because I'm going to show you exactly how I exported this video without paying for this pro version. You see, when you hit on that export button, it shows you are using the following premium feature, which is this remove background. So for you to be able to export this video, you have to upgrade. But I will show you how you can export this video without upgrading. Stay tuned for my next video. Please make sure you like this video and share to your friends as well. Thank you.